Well, hello out there. I tell you, it's just getting noisier and noisier in this place. I just want to throw some of those tack strips out here like the cops use and slow these SOBs down. I think they got some real hot machines. Things sound like they're gonna blow up any second. Oh, well, we're almost out of here. Can't wait. I'm looking for some peace and quiet somewhere on the road. Somewhere away from people and noise. I missed the Arizona desert. Man, I never slept so good out there compared to this racket. With everybody home clogging up all of the internet, or else out driving like maniacs. Holy smokes. Yeah. Anyway, thought I'd just, pop this in here, saying that I'll get my RV back here tomorrow after having a little work to it again. Sarah's trying to climb a tree to get some birds. That's what you hear over here. So, anyway, hopefully when you hear from us again, we'll be somewhere on the road. Hopefully somewhere quieter than here. So, stay tuned. Stay tuned. We'll be getting back to you. Okay? Bye-bye. Okay, we got Sara here that just has to be in the video. She just keeps after me until she's in it. There, Sara. You see? Hey, over here. Yeah. Oh, yes. Do I taste that good? Okay, hey. Let's get a little higher here so we can see us. Maybe. Oh. Is that you? Okay. Hey, this is not working out too well, You silly girl. Oh, yes. I know. Okay, well, I thought I'd throw this in, sporadic. What do they call it? Organic filmmaking. That's what it is. Okay, are you gonna leave now? Go chase that bird? All right, well, like I said, we'll be seeing you. Bye-bye.